Today I am Akshat
And I, Akhilesh,
We are the students of Innova School Bhavana.
we are standing here to explain our model. Our model name is Unity Train.
Our model teacher name is Mr. Sujit.
Our project is based on train accidents.
The sensor is used to navigation. This also helps us to detect and respond the reducing human error. It designed a system that is also help us to detect the polarizations and constellations that detect the breaks and apply continually. The material we have used to make model are
First, we have used train, track, cardboard, ice cream sheet, and animal, etc. In future, this system will help to fast traveling, time, connected to cities, environment friendly. Innovative train is equipped for medical emergency and transportation. Innovative train is improved